We're going to be multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers, just the easy ones that are related to our times tables. I'm going to try and give you a little rule to remember, right? So here's the rule, right? Same equals good, which is positive, which is a plus, right? Different, here's the rule, different is bad, which is negative, which is minus. Okay, so if we use this idea, same, so same signs. So negative times a negative, they're the same, right? Positive 6 times positive 7, they're the same. So those answers have to be positive. So let's just go through. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. We just have to decide whether they're positive or negative. So negative times negative, they're the same. That means it's positive. So 42 is correct. 6 times 7, that's 42. And it's positive times positive, they're the same. So there you go. Over here, though, we've got minus 6. So 6 times 7 is 42. And 6 times 7 is 42. So we just figure out whether it's positive or negative. This one's negative multiplied by a positive. That's different. So the answer has to be negative. This one's a positive. This one's a negative. They're different. So the answer has to be negative. Okay, same thing goes with division. We've got 32 divided by 8, so that's 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And 32 divided by 8 is 4. We just have to figure out now whether these answers are positive or negative. This is positive, so positive divided by a positive equals a positive, so this is it. This one here, we've got a negative divided by a positive. So that's different, that's bad, that's negative. So negative 4, so that's now correct. We've got here negative divided by a positive, so that's different, right? Negative, positive, so the answer is negative. And this one here is positive divided by a negative. Positive, negative, that's different. The answer has got to be negative.